Hey there, I'm Rena, owner and designer at the Rustic Horseshoe. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a nose ring to your plushie. With me, I have my Blissful Bovine and my Swanky Swine. Both of them have an option for their nostrils, their nose, their snout, that make it possible for adding a nose ring, which is a super simple thing to do, and I'm going to show you how. So you can kind of see my Blissful Bovine here, and how it looks on my Swanky Swine here. Two options, both super simple, both super quick, one soft, one metal. Let's get started. So you have your ring. Any of the noses that have this pocket nostril where you've kind of done that, you can add a ring to. Right now I have the pig and I have the bovine. So you can add a metal ring, or you can add, you make it out of soft twine. You can also use a D-ring if you want, but this is a little thick, harder to set apart, but if you want to go that route, go ahead. Okay, if you want to make it with just this ring, this is what I found. You just go opposite directions, loop it through, close it back up. Ta-da! Okay. You want to use soft stuff. First, you're going to figure out how much you want to use. Okay. So you can pull it through. I'm going to trim off this frayed part here. Whoop. Just to give myself a little something more to work with. Then you're going to decide how big you want your ring. So if you want your ring just to be like that big, or smaller, or really if you want a really big ring, you can do a really big ring. So figure out where you want your ring and then cut. So I ended up with just this short piece. You can see on here how it just goes from there. Then I'm going to take some hot glue. I'm going to put hot glue. Ooh, that is hot. That's why they call it hot glue. And then just really kind of push them together. Now that the glue has dried enough, I can kind of pinch it. And then I'm going to add a little more glue here. Now you can put it end to end, or you could overlap it. Either way. Let that dry for a minute. Then you can just kind of pinch it. Let it finish drying. Even trim off some of that glue. Okay, so once it's dry, it's held. You could also stitch it if you want. Or you can tie a knot, whatever. Then you turn that around, and you've got a little nose ring. It's a soft one. So, how does this look on the piggy pig? Alright, so we have the pig. And it's just simple. Like you say, I have this little pocket nostril here. It's that easy.